Morton, what are you doing today?
Finish this drink, rewind some tapes, vigilante practice. Want to go to the cinema with me tonight? Got an extra ticket.
No, just make sure you get rid of that dead bird from your pocket, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Welcome to the party, pal.
Hello? Want to go watch ET with me tonight? Look, it's something. ET is not a fucking
No way. ET's a fucking dude.
And you can't say anymore, it's disrespectful.
To who?
I don't know. Oh yeah.
Por no dar un grito fuerte lo llevó la correntada.